and welcome back to La Forêt French Class. Today we are going to cover an important topic in the French grammar, which is called COD, Complément, dobjet direct. So let's get started. In French grammar, COD or Complément d'objet direct is direct object that is directly linked to the action of the verb without the use of a preposition. It answers the question que, what. For instance, let's take a sentence. Je vois Paul. Here, Paul is the COD as it directly receives the action of the verb voir, which means see. Je vois Paul. Okay? Understanding the role of COD in a sentence is crucial for constructing grammatically correct sentences in French. Let's look at a few examples. The first sentence is Je mange une pomme. Je mange une pomme. I'm eating an apple. Okay? So here, pomme is the object of the sentence. Okay? It is the direct object. Complément d'objet direct. It answers the question quoi. Okay, so if you ask the question quoi to the verb, which is mange, okay, je mange quoi, then you will get the answer pomme. Okay, so that's how you find the object of the sentence. Looking at the other example, il voit le chat. Ask the question, il voit le chat, il voit quoi? Le chat. Here, le chat will be the object. Il voit le chat, which means he sees the cat, where le chat is the COD. It is the direct object of the sentence. Now we'll see how to identify COD in a sentence. So identifying COD in a sentence involves asking the right questions. As we already saw, we ask quoi to the sentence, to the verb of the sentence. Considering the sentence again, le chat mange la souris. The cat eats the mouse. Here, if we ask the question quoi, which is what, after the verb mange, okay, that's le chat mange quoi. We get the answer la souris, which is the COD. It's important to practice this process with various sentences to become more familiar with COD. Okay, let's look at another example. J'aime le chien. Okay, now take 5 seconds and tell me what the correct COD is. Okay, j'aime le chien. The chien is the COD. Now, it is also important to note that these objects that we find can be replaced with a pronoun COD. Now here is the table which shows what the pronouns are. When we use the pronoun COD, the COD is placed before the verb. Okay? Look at the table and we'll also look at this with an example. Okay? The sentence is Nous aimons le chat. Okay, nous aimons le chat. Here, le chat is the COD. We will say it again while using the pronoun like nous l'aimons. Okay, nous l'aimons. We like it. Okay, looking at other example, il cherche toi. Okay, here toi is the COD. When we replace it with the pronoun, we'll say il te cherche. Okay, I hope this is clear. You can let me know if you have any doubts. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. In the next video, we'll be talking about COE, which is the complément d'objet indirect, and the differences between COD and COE. Till then, au revoir. Bonne journée. Merci beaucoup.